In this video I'm going to show you how to make the two small cubes in a cube and two big edge triangles pattern on a 3x3, and the algorithm is L U R F2 R F R prime F D prime L D prime L prime D2 R prime U prime L prime, and yeah, I thought there was still some more of the algorithm to go, but that's it. So there's your two small cubes in a cube, and then you've got your edges, edge triangles I think they're called. Not really sure why they're called edge triangles because they don't look triangular to me. Thanks for watching.